In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Chatgpt photo editing. Imagine you have a photo that needs a little tweak or an artistic touch. Using Chatgpt for photo editing can be a quick and simple solution. First, you'll want to open Chatgpt on your device. This might be through your preferred browser or an app, depending on how you usually access Chatgpt. Once everything is loaded and you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, you'll create a new chat in Chatgpt. If you're not sure how to do this, look for the option to start a new conversation. It's usually quite straightforward and visible on the main interface. Starting a fresh chat can help ensure that all your edits and interactions are organized and contained within one conversation thread. Next, direct your attention to the paperclip icon. This icon is typically situated next to the message box where you normally type your text prompts. Clicking on this paperclip will allow you to attach files, which is essential for uploading the image you want to edit. After you've clicked the paperclip, a file selection dialog should appear. Here, you'll be able to browse your device's storage and select the image file that you want to edit. Take your time here to make sure you select the correct image. It could be anything from a vacation photo to a picture for a professional project, so choose wisely based on what you need to accomplish. Once you've selected your file, you'll need to wait for it to upload. This could take a few seconds to a minute, depending on your internet connection and the file size. You'll typically see an indicator that shows the progress of the upload. Make sure to let it finish uploading before you proceed. This patience ensures that Chatgpt has the image ready for any edits you want. With the upload complete, you're now going to tell Chatgpt exactly what you want to edit in your image. Be specific here, whether it's adjusting the lighting, removing an unwanted object, or enhancing a specific feature. The more detailed you can be, the better results you'll get at. You might say something like, "Could you make the colors more vibrant?" Or "Please remove the lamppost in the background." Once you've clearly stated your editing request, the final step is to hit send, or simply press enter to submit your detailed instructions to Chatgpt. This action sends your request, complete with the uploaded image, to start the editing process. Remember, the key to a good edit is clarity in your instructions, so don't hesitate to include all necessary details regarding your desired changes. Now sit back and let Chatgpt work its magic on your photo. I hope this method helps you quickly and effectively edit your images. Enjoy the process, and feel free to experiment with different types of edits.